The terrible noise between us. It was a Monday like any other, at least it should have been, but I woke up in the early hours of the morning to a grotesque, jarring cacophony of noise that tore through the stillness like a scalpel to flesh. At first, I couldn't place it. It sounded like dozens of television sets, each tuned to a different hellish frequency. Jumbled advertisements barked in artificial tones, layered over shrill, soulless pop songs that seemed surgically engineered to be. But before we continue the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Be catchy and hollow news anchors droned in unison, rattling off headlines like a prayer for the damned, earthquakes leveling cities, political alliances fracturing, death tolls rising with clinical detachment. I glanced at the clock. 4:03 a.m. I had to be at work in 3 hours. The sound had to be coming from the apartment above me. I was sure of it. The guy upstairs was an aging ex-musician, half-deaf from decades of abusing his eardrums, and he had a reputation for blasting